Have you heard? The long abandoned Ebonyi State Hatchery in Nkaliki in Abakaliki is finally getting the attention it deserves, and the transformation is nothing short of amazing. If you're just tuning in, trust me, you're going to want to hear about this. So, after being left forgotten for years, the hatchery is now fully equipped and ready to receive layers and broiler chickens. Yes, you heard that right. And looking closely at the videos and images making rounds online, thanks to the great work by the Ebonyi State Ministry of Agriculture, and the poultry cages have been upgraded and installed. The state government is not playing with this one at all. Governor Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru has officially approved funds to raise 15,000 old layer chickens for egg production and 20,400 broilers. This is really impressive and massive. It's not just about poultry, it's the beginning of something huge in Ebonyi State. Plans are already in motion to introduce fishery and piggery farmings as well at the same hatchery. You can just feel the energy and momentum around this project. And get this isn't just some small scale facelift. The governor is serious about reviving industries that have been neglected for far too long. Can you believe that the hatchery, which had almost faded into memory, is now coming back with full force? It's inspiring to see leaders who take action and, put resources where they matter. Kindly check out this video because seeing is believing, right? And here is the thing, this is just the start. With this kind of development, we are looking at a future filled with possibilities, from jobs to food production and even more expansion into other farming sectors. The governor's vision for agriculture in Ebonyi State is very clear. He's not just talking about it, he's making it happen, and we are seeing it. So, what do you think of this revival? I call it revival because it is indeed revival. Excited for what's to come? Well, drop your thoughts in the comments section below and let's discuss. Also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you can stay updated on more projects like this across Ebonyi State. And don't forget, we at Ebony People TV are always ready to bring you the latest on all things happening around here. And a very important announcement, are you planning an event anytime soon? Do you want any sort of media coverage for your event? Or you need equipment rentals? We've got you covered. Our team at Ebony People TV are ever ready to make these things work for you. So just give us a call or WhatsApp at the number showing on your screens. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.